The dramatic recolonization of Chernobyl in the space of only 30 years is proof of forests' extraordinary resilience. If we choose to give forests time and space, they could reclothe the earth with much of the rich and varied communities of animals and plants of which we have so recently robbed it. A future with more forests is key to the resilience of our planet.